What's up everyone, it's MrUknowwho, and today guys I'm just making a quick video letting you know about the Save Wizard Discord. So a lot of people do not know that Save Wizard has a Discord page besides the Save Wizard site. So I'm going to share with you guys what's on the Save Wizard Discord page, and I'm going to also give you the link to sign up. So if you go over to their Save Wizard Discord page, it looks like this. The icon looks like this over here. And basically you just sign up for Discord, you accept the rules and regulations, and then you come to this page and it'll have your account, and then it'll have all the rules, announcement, support, a whole bunch of different topics for the community. So what you can find in here versus the Save Wizard site is that on the Discord page, you can find additional cheats that are normally not listed or available on the Save Wizard app. So, yes, that is correct. Many of times people post additional cheats and you have to add them manually to your Save Wizard. And if you don't know how to add cheats to your Save Wizard, I made a video. Just go to my playlist and look for how to add cheats to Save Wizard and you'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, there's a lot of content here that's additional to Save Wizard that you normally cannot find anywhere else. So if you go here, you go to announcements, you go to your rules, generic stuff you'll see. Then you got server feedback, then general. Now when you go down to game modding, you can ask a couple of questions in here. You can also get help in here too. So if you go on the Save Wizard site, and you put in a help desk ticket for, let's say, your app, but it's taking too long, you can also come here and see what's going on. If there's downtime for the app, or if you're having problems setting it up, you can also ask someone here to help you. So, again, you got gaming news, generic stuff. Then, game recommendations, groups, so on and so on. Now, when you come down here, this is where you can find additional content. So as you guys can see, let me go down. Let me see if I can find it for you real quick. This is where I found the additional cheats for Devil May Cry, because you see people were talking about it. And then as far as Save Wizard, the app is concerned, I added 2 more cheats that were not listed, which is to unlock all missions. So for S's, and then also they had unlocking all the costumes and all difficulties as well. So, you just gotta explore, go through some of the topics and see what's going on. But you can see here, you see unlock all parts S or S actual rank. So this is not even listed on Save Wizard, but you can add this in and see if it works. Now do keep in mind the cheats that are available here that's not listed on Save Wizard, you got to take it with a grain of salt. Some will work, some may not work. You just got to test it out. But for Devil May Cry, I tested this and it works. So you can find additional cheats here, like I said before. You're just going to take you some time, may want to ask a couple of questions, and hopefully someone can give you an answer. And you got other, archives, Red Dead, God of War, stuff like that. But again, just some alternative to the Save Wizard site. I signed up. So far, so good. I do keep my eye on this page once a week. And then, just look around to see what's going on. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said before, I'll include the link to the Save Wizard Discord in the description box. You guys can go sign up there. But as always, guys, I thank you for watching my video, and peace.